Eventually. After a long time or after many steps, in the end. Example, after months of searching, she eventually found her lost pet. Literally. When something is completely true and not exaggerated or used as a comparison. Example, he was so tired that he literally fell asleep during the meeting. Instantly. Happening immediately, without any delay. Example, she instantly recognized her friend in the crowd. Occasionally. Happening sometimes, but not regularly or often. Example, I occasionally go hiking when I have free time on weekends. Frequently. Happening many times or again and again. Example, he frequently visits the library to borrow new books. Gradually. Happening slowly over a period of time, step by step. Example, the snow gradually melted as the temperature warmed up. Convivial. Lively, friendly, and enjoying the company of others. Example, the party was a convivial gathering filled with music, laughter, and delicious food. Orgulous. Feeling proud in a noble or respectful way, used in Old English. Example, the knight felt orgulous as he stood before the cheering crowd after his victory. Cheeky. A little rude or disrespectful, but funny or playful. Example, the boy gave a cheeky smile after making a silly comment to his teacher. Nefarious. Very bad or cruel, often doing things that are wrong or unfair. Example, the movie's plot revolves around a nefarious villain trying to steal ancient treasures. Reclusive. Living alone and avoiding interaction with others. Example, the old man was reclusive, rarely leaving his house or talking to his neighbors. Cynical. Believing that people are motivated by selfish reasons and doubting their sincerity. Example, after many disappointments, she became cynical about promises from politicians. boorish. Acting rudely or without good manners, not thinking about others' feelings. Example: his boorish behavior at the dinner table embarrassed everyone.